Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how to download HappyMod on iOS. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Background App Refresh. Make sure it's enabled. If it's turned off, tap Background App Refresh at the top and choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once that's done, close the Settings app and open your preferred web browser, such as Safari or Chrome. In the search bar, type happymod.com and open the official website. When the website loads, tap the download button. If prompted, tap download again and wait for the download process to finish. After the download is complete, go back to the Settings app. Tap General, then open VPN and Device Management. If a profile appears, tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions and trust the profile to complete the installation. And that's it. That's how you can download HappyMod on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.